legends, it's Byrne from fixpectus.com. In today's video, what I wanted to talk about is the decline bench press and why I use this in lots of my training programs for my clients, and I've used it in my own transformation for training for Pectus Excavatum, and why it's such a good exercise that you should be incorporating into your regime. So as you can see in the clip here, this is me doing the decline bench, okay? And it's something that I've done a lot of, and I think it's amazing for Pectus, okay? And the reason for that is the position of the decline is going to make you engage your lower chest fibers more, okay? And so why that's so good for Pectus is a big thing with Pectus is getting the chest to protrude from the ribs, the upper ribs, okay? Especially when it comes to the rib flare appearance too. So if your chest, if you can develop pecs that pop out, you know, more than the ribs do, that's going to make your rib flare look less prominent, and it's going to make your body look amazing and your pectus less prominent too. So that's a big goal, is to try and develop those lower pecs, okay? And so the decline is going to put you in a position to really engage them. Incline engages your upper chest, normal is kind of like, you know, whole, middle, and then decline is going to put more of a focus on your lower chest. So we want to just definitely be doing both, incline, decline, flat, but decline is definitely a movement that we want to be really emphasizing because we really want to be engaging our lower chest. So that's what I recommend, guys. If you don't happen to have a decline bench, another really good thing to do is just making sure you arch a lot on a flat bench press. You pull your shoulder blades back and you arch your back and really try and push your chest out. And what that's going to do is it's actually going to put you in a bit of a decline position anyway, and it's actually a safer position for your shoulders and is a stronger position for bench, so you can load up more too. So if you don't have a decline, that's how you want to definitely be doing your flat bench too. But yeah, decline's a great exercise, guys. As you can see in the clip, like, you can really see my chest muscles engaging in this movement. So yeah, it's definitely an exercise to try out, and if you're not doing it, start doing it. There'll be more tutorial videos just talking about one exercise at a time like this coming, so make sure you subscribe for that. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope it was helpful, and also if you found this helpful, then I think you'll find my coaching and my programming extremely helpful. And right now I have the best offer I've ever had available, and that is the 2021 Pectus Transformation Challenge, which is a limited time to apply, and it's got limited spots available. So you want to get on to that quickly. The link will be in the description to learn more about that. But let me just say, I'm so excited about this. It's going to be amazing. You'll have me as your coach for a year, which is an amazing length of time to completely transform and fix your pectus. And also there's a potential to win a trip out here to Australia and Byron Bay to come and train with me, surf, hang out and have a good time. And you know, hopefully I can teach you some really cool things in person and also just get to know you, and that'll be pretty fun. So if you're interested in that, it sounds good, you want to fix your pectus, then this is the best offer I've ever had, and I'm so excited to present it to you. So it'll be the first link in description to learn more, and then go ahead, book a free call with me and apply. And yeah, I'm looking forward to meeting you and having you on board. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully talk to you soon when you apply for the challenge.